Imagine a world where every action we take is a step towards nurturing and protecting the environment. A world where every tree planted, every drop of water saved, and every species protected is a testament to our commitment to the planet. Where the once barren landscapes are now teeming with life, and where the harmony between nature and industry is not just a dream, but a reality. This is the world that GMDC has strived to create in all aspects of its operations by keeping an unwavering dedication to environmental conservation.
सस्टेनेबल एनवायरनमेंट मेंटेन करना जीएमडीसी के टॉप मैनेजमेंट का हमेशा प्रायोरिटी रहा है.
At GMDC, our dedication to environmental stewardship runs deep, ingrained in every aspect of our operations. We understand that our relationship with the earth goes beyond mere extraction. It's about ensuring the vitality of the land and the communities it sustains.
જીએમડીસી દ્વારા પર્યાવરણ સંરક્ષણ માટે અનેક પ્રયત્નો થઈ રહ્યા છે, જેમ કે એક્સટર્નલ ડમ્પની ઉપર જીએમડીસી દ્વારા વ્યાપક પ્રમાણમાં વૃક્ષારોપણ કરવામાં આવે છે.
From the outset, our foremost priority has remained to restore ecological balance by meticulously repositioning soil layers post-mining activities. This approach not only preserves soil integrity, but also fosters an environment conducive to new plant growth. Central to this effort is our commitment to revegetation. Over the span of 2 decades, we have employed advanced techniques, including the development of a manual rotary drum for preparing seed balls. These seed balls comprising clay, jaggery, soil, water, and seeds serve as the cornerstone of our reforestation initiatives. By strategically planting native species across tracts of restored land, we have transformed former mining sites into thriving habitats for diverse wildlife and bird species.
एनवायरनमेंट रिलेटेड हमारी ये पॉलिसी रहती है कि जो भी हमारा वर्किंग एरिया है या माइंस का लीज एरिया है, उसके बाहर में फ्लोरा और फौना को कोई भी नुकसान नहीं पहुँचे, उसका हम पूरा ध्यान रखते हैं. जो भी कंटामिनेंट वाटर है, एयर पोल्यूशन है या नॉइस का है, तो वो हम पूरा एक मॉनिटरिंग एजेंसी रहती है, उसके थ्रू मॉनिटर किया जाता है.
To manage water resources effectively, we have implemented a multifaceted approach.
GMDC is exploring possibilities to turn mine pit water into potable water and is planning to give it back to the communities around. By implementing environmentally sound management practices, reusing and recycling of the resources, and using the cleaner technology, GMDC has evolved in both the environmental and socio-economic fronts.
Garland drains encircle mining pits and dumps, redirecting surface runoff water to prevent erosion. Siltation ponds further mitigate sediment flows, while also serving as reservoirs for dust suppression and greenbelt development. Effluent treatment plants, ETPs, play a crucial role in our water management strategy, ensuring that water discharge from our operations meets environmental standards.
GMDC is transparently communicating its efforts in areas such as reducing carbon footprint, ensuring ethical labor practices, and fostering community development.
Additionally, we have spearheaded initiatives to address water scarcity, such as pond construction and drip irrigation system implementation, enhancing water utilization and conservation in surrounding areas. Our commitment to sustainability extends beyond land and water management. We have embraced renewable energy solutions with rooftop solar panels installed at all our project offices. Continuing our vision, we have developed a groundbreaking 5 megawatt solar power plant at our Panandro mining site, backfilled area that stands as a milestone in the mining industry. In tandem with our environmental initiatives, we are actively transitioning to electric vehicles, replacing conventional transportation methods at our corporate office. This shift towards EVs not only aligns with our goal of reducing emissions, but also supports India's broader ambition of achieving net zero carbon emissions.
We are ambitiously looking forward for blue hydrogen and the underground coal gasification projects.
Ultimately, our mission is clear: to leave behind a legacy of responsible stewardship. As we continue to operate sustainably, our actions reflect our unwavering commitment to the planet we call home. While our hands may bear the colors of the earth, our vision remains forever green, dedicated to building a greener future for generations to come.